So welcome back. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா pulmonary surfactant. இந்த intriguing substance பத்தி தான் இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போறோம். ஏன் pulmonary surfactant பத்தி தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்? Lung is one of the last organs to get developed during gestation, சரியா? 34 weeks அப்புறம் தான் லங்கோட டெவலப்மென்ட்டே ஆரம்பிக்கும். Premature infants, one of the most common causes of death is failure of lung development, right? So that is why we are going to see about pulmonary surfactant today. Pulmonary surfactant is a liquid film covering the alveolar lining. It decreases the surface tension, thereby preventing the lung collapse. Gas-க்கும் liquid-க்கும் நடுவுல இருக்க surface tension குறைக்க தான் there is a substance called as pulmonary surfactant. Pulmonary surfactant also promotes the alveolar stability, right? By Laplace law பார்த்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா there are two alveoli, one is small and one is large. This small alveoli will drain into the large alveoli and அந்த alveoli வந்து collapse ஆகும். இந்த alveolar stability improve பண்ண pulmonary surfactant is helpful. The last function of pulmonary surfactant is prevention of edema, right? So let's see about the composition of pulmonary surfactant. Lipids, proteins and carbohydrates in the following percentages. 90% of lipids, 8% of proteins and 2% of carbohydrates. The major substance that governs the decrease in surface tension is nothing but the DPPC, dipalmityl phosphatidylcholine. It is also called as dipalmityl lecithin. It also contains phosphatidylglycerols, other phospholipids and neutral lipids. Proteins la paathitina albumin, IgA, so it also helps in immunity. Apoproteins SPA, B, C and D. SPA and D governs in immunity and B and C governs in lowering the surface tension. Kadasila carbohydrates. After seeing about the composition, we will be looking into the mechanism of secretion of pulmonary surfactant. So surfactant constitution la lipids, proteins, carbohydrates irukku paathirukom, right? So how does this constituents combine to form this surfactant அப்படிங்கறத let's see. So this happens in a certain cell called as type 2 pneumocyte. It is also called as type 2 alveolar cells. There are two types of alveolar cells, type 1 and type 2, out of which type 2 alveolar cells தான் வந்து pulmonary surfactant produce ஆகும். One of the major histological findings of type 2 pneumocytes are lamellar inclusion bodies. From the circulating blood, palmitate, choline and glucose are taken up by the type 2 pneumocytes to form DPPC. So what is DPPC again? Dipalmityl phosphatidylcholine. It's also called as dipalmityl lecithin. This dipalmityl lecithin is formed in mitochondria. From endoplasmic reticulum, we take protein. We combine DPPC from mitochondria and protein from the endoplasmic reticulum in the Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus are a major function and a packaging of materials. So from mitochondria we get dipalmityl phosphatidylcholine and endoplasmic reticulum irundhu protein eduthu Golgi apparatus we package it. We package into what is called as a surfactant. These surfactant is stored in lamellar bodies, right? What is the major histological finding in type 2 pneumocytes? Lamellar inclusion bodies. The surfactant formed by the Golgi apparatus is stored in the lamellar bodies. This lamellar bodies in the type 2 pneumocytes by constitutive exocytosis secretes the surfactant as tubular myelin. In the tubular myelin na alveolar lining la poi surfactant apply ஆயிரும். A small recap. Palmitate, choline and glucose in the mitochondria forms the dipalmityl phosphatidylcholine. From endoplasmic reticulum we get a protein. Combining both these constituents in the Golgi apparatus we get surfactant. This surfactant is stored in lamellar bodies which by constitutive exocytosis gives tubular myelin. This tubular myelin is applied on the alveolar lining as surfactant. So after seeing the mechanism of secretion of pulmonary surfactant, we'll end this video with the factors that influence the pulmonary surfactant production. The hormonal agents that increases the pulmonary surfactant production are glucocorticoid, thyroxine and insulin, physical activities such as exercise and stretching of lungs during yawning, pharmacological agents such as calcium, beta-adrenergic agonists all increase the production of pulmonary surfactant. The only one thing that decreases the pulmonary surfactant production is premature delivery. During premature delivery, the surfactant produced is very, very less, and thus after delivery, they give steroids to increase the production of pulmonary surfactant. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.